Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Yorkshire Reviewer, and today I'm going to be reviewing the ARTECK HB030B Universal Backlit Bluetooth Keyboard. Now this is from Amazon and it came with great reviews, and it costs around about £15, which is rather cheap. So let's open it up and see what it has. So two slips come out there. There we go, and opening the box, first thing you get is a keyboard in wrapping. So let's take that out. Put the box on one side. Here's the keyboard. Let's take this plastic wrapping off. Okay, so here's the keyboard. Now first thing out of the box, you notice it's very, very thin, very lightweight, and it's going to be perfect for portability. This is a 7 backlit, I believe, so it's got 7 colours that the buttons light up. So let's turn it on. It's got a button at the top here where you turn it on. Oh, there you go, some LEDs across top for power, charge, status and caps that go along the top. So let's try cap button. I'll turn caps on and you can see got the LED showing up there. Turn it off, it's gone off. As you can see, the colours are currently purple for the backlit. So to change the colours, you press this key here with the light bulb signal on it, or the light signal, and this key on the other side, which is function. It's a bit stupid having it on different sides. They should have had it next to each other to make it easier, because you also use the up and down buttons here to change the colours. So that means I've got to use two hands, so I'm sorry folks, I'm going to put it down a second. So function, all page light up, okay. So there you go, look. So it's got a blue, it's gone from purple to blue. Let's have another go. Function, oh, okay, we've gone to green. So purple, blue, green. Okay, we've got another colour blue. Bit deeper colour blue, and red. You see that? Yeah, red. So let's have another see if there's any more. And we've got like a I don't know quite, it's like a whitey blue as well. So yeah, you know, a couple of colours are exactly the same, which is not, but you don't really take away from it. It's a keyboard, that's £15, that's this small, that's this portable, and it's got backlit keyboards with different colours. That's brilliant. There aren't many on market that do that. So yeah, great stuff. Now it's made of plastic, it's quite cheap plastic, but it's sturdy enough. It's got a bit of flex to it, which you would expect for something this thin. Let's have a look. Bit of flex, but unless you wanted to break it, literally snap it in half, it's going to hold up. It's going to be rugged enough. It's got a texture to it, so it's not slippy. There's a texture on the front of it and a texture on the back. Different textures. This is like lines across, whereas this is like, I don't know, bobbled. But yeah, you hear that? Yeah. Now the first thing people want to know about keyboards is, what is the travel like on the buttons? Well, this is very thin, so you can't expect brilliant things. But travel's great. I'm not gonna lie, it does. Look, got plenty of travel, plenty of feedback. You can hear it, it feels nice for a thin light keyboard like that. It feels nice. Now I've bought this to go with my iPad Pro. I'm sick and tired of carrying my really big, heavy laptop around with me, especially to university, because I'm a mature student at university doing a master's course. And I was very fortunate this Christmas that I had an iPad Pro bought for me by my family. And I needed a keyboard for it because I've got the pen, so I can take notes in class. That's absolutely fantastic for taking notes, and that's the quickest and best way to do it, to be honest. But when you're doing an assignment and you are using applications such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, stuff like that, which you can actually get Microsoft Word in that for your iPad Pro. I know it's iOS, but you can get it for that. I wanted a keyboard because it's simpler to do an official assignment using a keyboard. Now the iPad Pro keyboard is around about £140 odd, which is crazy money for a keyboard. So when I saw this on Amazon, and it was got 5-star reviews, it was Amazon's recommended product, I decided I'm going to give it a try. So 15 quid, shipped it off, and I'm glad I did. I have had this out of the box. I know I did a bit of an unboxing at the beginning, but I have had it out of the box and I have tried it with the iPad Pro and it worked absolutely fine. It was perfect. No lag, no nothing. Now this is chargeable. It charges up with a USB micro or mini, whatever you want to call it. And in the box it does come with a cable. So that's a USB to USB mini or USB micro, whatever. Again, it's not, I ain't got USB-C. It's not gonna. It's a £50 product. It comes with a in the box. It's got this manual, user manual. It's English on one side, it's Chinese on the other. Chinese, English. Gives you all the basics. Tells you all the things. But it also, what's good about it is, you see there, it tells you the different uses, because this keyboard can be used with iOS, can be used with Android, and it can be used with Windows. So you can connect it to your PC if you want. You can connect it to your phone. You can connect it to your Samsung Tab 4 or whatever. You can connect it to your iPad Pro. And here are 3 buttons that when you are setting it up to work with your desired platform, you choose. So you've got Q button iOS, W button with Android, and the E button for Windows. And when you are connecting it to your Bluetooth, you set your device to search for it. You find them, and then you connect it using these buttons. You choose which you want to use. So it's simple to connect. It's easy. It's lightweight. It's portable, and it's cheap. And you don't get all that plus backlit keyboard, which I love pretty colours. But yeah, fantastic. So it's a big thumbs up for that. I really like it. We'll see how it goes during university. I'm not back for a few days yet. And once I've got to use it a bit more, I might do another review on the usability of it, how it performs and everything. But so far it's been absolutely great, and it looks great, it feels great, it's super lightweight, and it's not going to take up much room in my backpack, and it's not going to make anything heavy. I've got a power bank as well for charging things, so if it runs out of battery, quick charge. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't enjoyed it, I know what you're going to do, you're going to give me a thumbs down. But look, it's my first ever video, and I hope to grow from this, and I hope to do more for you. So if you want more reviews on cheaper products for you, the common user, then stay tuned. See you later now.